Hey, hope you're well. I'm going to be jumping into a very big hive today, just making sure that this hive is not about to swarm on me. This queen really produces a ton of brood. Flow's on right now. I've seen a lot of bees bringing in nectar, so I'm going to check and see what they're doing there as far as the flow, and just make sure that they're not about to leave me. If for some reason they are, I could last minute, split them. I've got another queen cell that I pulled off a hive yesterday. In a 2-frame. If I need to split those, I could certainly do so. Don't want the bees leaving on me, but I want to keep this hive as big as possible through the flow if I can. All right, stay with me. Okay, well, I popped the boxes off with the supers. Let me just look here and see what we see. Look at this. They are really starting to bring up some nectar into the supers, so that's a good sign. I'm starting to see all kind of shiny, beautiful nectar. They're already bringing up, got those, I hope you can see that glistening. That is a gorgeous sign there. Not gonna mess too much with it, but they're bringing it up. I may need to checkerboard a few of those. And then I've already started looking here in the box, so let me just show you. This is incredible. Glance down in here, I want to share this one with you. I mean, this queen, this is the top broodbacks. Look at the pattern. Absolutely gorgeous. Tons of honey around the outside, already capping. Pollen, this is textbook. I mean, got a few little drones down at the bottom here. Absolutely gorgeous. That's one full frame of brood. Oop, sorry about that, girls. Another, this is so heavy. Good grief. Wow, look at the pattern on this thing. Look at the pattern. Beautiful. There's a couple of little queen cup right down there I'm going to get rid of. It's equally gorgeous pattern. A couple of little queen cups on the bottom. That's okay. I'm gonna leave those. They're okay. Check this out. This hive is just going to town. Tons of little beautiful nectar, pollen. Look at this gorgeous pollen. Honey already capped around the top. Capping honey. Let's see if I see this queen anywhere. Just gorgeous. Brand new capped honey right here. Tons of pollen and a little bit of eggs right in the middle. So she's around here somewhere. Okay, look at this now. Just incredible brood. This queen is just going to town. Little eggs all down in there, little larvae too. She's around here somewhere. I might not see her. She might hide her from me, or she might hide, but look at this gorgeous pattern. Wow. What a upper brood box. Tons of brood coming in this thing in the next week, 2 weeks. Gonna absolutely explode. Another one. Brood all the way across. Honey. Brood. This thing is full of larvae. Oh, there's the queen. There's the queen right here. She is right here, walking around. Gorgeous. Okay, good job, mama. She is doing a great job. All right, let's get her back down in here before we get her on an edge or something. She's right in the middle on top. That's what you want. Okay, here's the next frame. She has laid all this honey all the way around. She has laid all in this middle. It is just little tiny larvae and eggs. Same thing on this side. All larvae and eggs in the middle. Gorgeous nectar on the outside. Couldn't ask for her to be doing a better job right here. I mean, just a beautiful job. I'm gonna snug this up next so that she's on this one. And I'll keep looking through just to see what we see. Make sure we don't see any queen cells, because I don't need this big bunch of gorgeous bees to get going on me. Gorgeous brood. A lot of it's not even capped yet. This thing is packed with some of the prettiest nectar. Look at this. Oh, don't see any queen cells. Look at this brood. This girl. What a beautiful, beautiful frame. Okay. I mean, she has got this thing packed. That's why they're going upstairs with the honey now. They are on. And this thing is absolutely exploding. And they are surprisingly very gentle. This hive is so gentle compared to another one I got. Look at this. The flow is on. This has changed so much in 1 week. This weekend is Easter. So we're here, what is that, 3rd week of April. Just gorgeous. Okay, another one just absolutely packed. Look at the shine off the sun and the lake. Just packed with nectar. Just incredible. And I'll set one to the side over here, just give myself some room, and it's got brood on it as well. Okay, I'm gonna take this top. Gosh, this is heavy. Oh my goodness gracious. All right, girls. Set it right there. Wow. Look at all the bird coming. They are just, they need some space. I'm telling you. They need some space, but I'm trying to keep them as full as I can to do this, get as much honey as possible while this flows on. There's some larvae. Toss it way out to the side. I'll pick it up here in just a little bit, make sure no raccoons or anything get after it. I don't want to invite problems. Let's just see. Wow. Alright, we know the queen is upstairs in that top box. Got some room here. They're still building out. I put a couple of frames in here for them. Look at all this beautiful nectar. Gorgeous right there. Wow. A couple of big old drones right there. There's a ton of good healthy drones. I'm going to flip this around. Encourage them to build out the... Well, tell you what I'm actually going to do is just set this one to the side here for just a moment. Give me some room to work. Alright. More beautiful nectar. It's going in there, stacking the nectar. Building this out just as fast as I can. What a pretty frame. Lots of pretty bees on this. Okay, that's what we want to see. I took a frame or two of brood off of these and added it to a package. For me, that really works well. Look at all that nectar. Got some tiny little eggs in there. Those are drones they're going to do. Those big drones right in the middle. I don't see any. Just gorgeous, gorgeous bees working away right here. All right, take a look at this one. Let's see what we got. Emerging brood. Got lots of room to lay. She's probably going to come down and start laying in this. There's some eggs. I see some. She's been back and forth. They're dragging her back and forth. Look at all this brood. Man, this hive is going crazy. Don't see anything concerning. Beautiful. And, love the amount of nectar I'm seeing in here. Lots of brood. Emerging brood, beautiful, beautiful pollen, bee bread. Look how shiny that is. More emerging emerging brood, huge drones. Just a healthy colony looking great. All right. Okay, tons of beautiful pollen in here. Got one of these crazy ones that's got drone, kind of a drone frame, if you will. Drones all over. Pretty pretty. Don't see anything crazy. I'll leave that one in the middle. That's fine. Alright, let's see here. Boy, bees are coming and going like crazy. It's just such a beautiful day. Look at this brood. She just outdoes herself. Wow. Ton of brood about to just explode in here. I may actually add this one to the one next door. They get so much. I'm going to put that next door. Okay. Gorgeous frame. They are polishing this, getting her ready to lay again. Emerging, all in the middle. That's all emerged, and this is going to be emerging on the outside. I see a little bit of a cup right here, but there's nothing in it. That's fine. More emerging nectar. Blow on them to see if I see anything crazy. No, just some drones. That looks good. And then these frames really should be mostly food. All right, look at all that nectar. Gorgeous. Finishing out, and they got plenty of room here. I'm just going to spin this thing around. Encourage them to food. Packed on this side. Spin that around. Then to fill the outside. Okay, wow, they're just looking super. Okay, got this thing put back together here. Actually put one of the frames into a neighboring. Look at all these bees. I mean, that's just beautiful. This top box is so full of bees. I could easily take this off right now and just simply split it and do a walk-away split, no problem. But I'm trying to keep them as full as possible because this box right here is already getting some pretty good honey in it, pretty good nectar in it. Not a ton because they're filling the bottom so much right now that I think over the next week it's gonna go crazy. Now what I'll probably do is take a frame that doesn't have a ton, and I'll take it right here. Get one of these that's got some nectar on it. Just simply run it upstairs. Alright, I'll put them, I'll let them know there's lots of room. I'll toss this one down. And then straighten this up, put the rest of the boxes on here, nice and easy. Give them lots of space in case they really hit some good nectar. Privet should be coming soon. Tulip poplar's right in the middle of it right now. And that is looking great. Okay, had a great visit with these girls. I'll tell you what, they are really doing a great job just out moving around. There's tons of bees in the air right now. Beautiful weather. We're right here at Easter. Boy, I wish every inspection was like this. Girls are doing great, exploding with brood, just absolutely exploding. In the next week to 2 weeks, this thing is just gonna, it'll probably almost double in size. Absolutely crazy how much brood's in here. Hey, if you like, subscribe. Happy Easter. God bless.